Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael, and in this video I will share with you 6 companies that are always hiring. If you're new to the channel, I want you to click on that subscribe button and click on the like button as well so that way you too can share this video with others. Let's get into the video. Looking for a new company can be difficult, let alone finding one that you like or pay well. The 6 companies that I found are companies that are always hiring, that are paying well. These jobs are careers, and then at the same time, they allow you to work from home. So if you're not comfortable going out to the workplace because of COVID, these jobs will allow you to make good money while being at home, which is a plus. Starting with number 1, we're going to start with Uhaul. Uhaul's looking for call center positions. They're paying from $10 to $14 per hour, and they're looking for part-time and full-time work. They're very flexible, so even if you have a primary job, they can work around your schedule. They offer paid training, benefits, and bonuses, so depending on how well you perform, you're actually able to earn more money. And of this entire list, this is the only company that hires at the age of 16. So if you're looking to start your new job or transition into Uhaul, Uhaul can be the place for you. Number 2, Allurica. Allurica is a global company that has positions that range from office work, call centers, and remote work, meaning that because they're not in each and every city, you are able to work from the comfort of your own home. Now, these positions do have a sign-on bonus, meaning that you have a little bit more incentive when applying for these positions, and they offer paid trainings, benefits, and remote work. Like I said before, because they're not in each and every state and each and every city, you're able to work from the comfort of your own home. Number 3, CPSI. CPSI is a US-based company that offers on-site and remote positions that are available. Because they do offer on-site positions, go check out the website because they may have positions in your town. Now, as far as what the company do, they do an array of things. They deal with medical billing, software, coding, engineering, customer service. As far as the pay, they start at $14 to $25 an hour. They offer paid training and benefits. And like I said, go check it out because this company here is always hiring. And then you can also work at the comfort of your own home. Number 4, Sonoma. Sonoma offers positions in customer care, on-site work, and call centers. Because they hire during the holidays, they usually offer a lot of overtime as well, with the pay ranging from $12 to $18 an hour. Number 5, Teletech. Teletech are call center positions that allow you to work from home. These positions start with 0 experience up to 6 years of experience depending on the position. They hire globally. They allow you to have paid training and benefits. Number 6, Crossover. Crossover is a company that assists other companies when they hire talent. These positions start at $20,000 a year, upwards to $100,000 a year. And these jobs are truly remote, meaning that there's no on-site location. Everyone you work with will be solely through the computer. Now, these positions are a range of a multitude of things. There are operations, customer service, finance, sales. So that way you can find something that fits you and then apply to these careers. All right, there you have it. These here are the 6 companies that will allow you to work from your home. And for the few that do have on-site location, check these companies out because you never know if these jobs are hiring in your backyard. Like I said at the very beginning of the video, if you guys are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. But see you guys in the next video.